Want to save Instagram stories with music? Here's a step-by-step guide. To save a story with music before posting, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the profile icon at the top left corner to start a new story. Select a photo or video from your gallery. Edit the video length as needed and tap Done. Then mute and tap the music icon at the top. Choose the song you want to add. Hit the arrow to proceed and tap Done. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Select Save in the pop-up menu. And that's it. But what if you've already posted the story? Instagram doesn't let you save posted stories with music directly, but don't worry. Here's a solution with online services. Return to Instagram and tap your posted story at the top left on the homepage. Tap the send icon at the bottom. Select copy link from the sharing options. Open Safari or any browser on your device. Type Save Insta in the search field and tap Go. Choose a website from the results like Save Insta. Close the annoying ads if you see any. Tap on Paste next to the link and tap Paste again in the pop-up. Now just tap Download next to this field. Again, close the annoying ad and scroll down until you see Download Video. Give it a tap. Confirm by tapping Download in the pop-up. Now close your browser and open the Files app on your device. Go to the Recents tab. Tap the downloaded video to play it with music. And that's it. Subscribe for more useful guides.